In the beginning, when there was nothing in the world, God created the heavens and the earth and everything in them. At that time, the world was not yet formed, and deep darkness covered everything. But the Spirit of God was moving quietly over the waters. Then God said, "Let there be light." And there was light. God separated the light from the darkness. He called the light day, and the darkness he called night. This was the first day. God said again, "Let there be an expanse to separate the waters above from the waters below." And it was so. God called the expanse sky. This was the second day. On the third day, God gathered the waters under the sky into one place, so that dry ground could appear. He called the dry ground land, and the gathered waters seas. Then God made grass grow on the land, plants that produce seeds, and trees that bear fruit with seeds in them, and it happened just as he said. This was the third day. From the fourth to the sixth day, God filled the world he had formed with life and order. On the fourth day, God made the greater light, the sun, to rule the day, and the smaller light, the moon, to rule the night. He also placed countless stars in the sky to shine upon the earth. This was the fourth day. On the fifth day, God created the birds to fly in the sky, and the fish and great sea creatures to swim in the waters. He blessed them and said, "Fill the sky and the seas." And the fifth day was complete. On the sixth day, God made all the living creatures on the land, livestock, wild animals, and creatures that crawl on the ground, each according to its kind. Then, at last, God created human beings in his own image. He created them male and female, and gave them authority over all living creatures. This was the sixth day. God blessed them and said, "Be fruitful and multiply. Fill the earth and rule over it." He gave them seed-bearing plants and fruit for food. At that time, people did not eat meat. We will hear about that later in the story of Noah and the flood. Now we have seen the first through the sixth day of creation. Let us briefly look at how the order of creation connects together. The light created on the first day is connected to the sun, moon, and stars made on the fourth day. The sky and waters of the second day are connected to the birds and fish of the fifth day. And the land formed on the third day is connected to the land animals and humans of the sixth day. When we see these connections, the order of creation becomes much clearer. After God finished making the heavens and the earth and everything in them, he rested on the seventh day, and he made that day holy. To make it holy means he set it apart from all the other days,